Logical
Good
reasoning.
day, viewers. I go by the name Lois Asabibu, a student of Agri Memorial Senior High School and a student of 2 Science 8 class. So today we are going to look at logic and core mathematics. So the question, consider the following statement. So statement X says all junior secondary pupils wear uniform. And statement Y says most junior secondary pupils are well behaved. And A says we should draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the above statement. So the X which says all junior secondary pupils wear uniform. For that, we are going to represent it with a variable U and then J. So the U is people who wear uniform and the J with junior secondary pupils. And for the statement Y, most junior secondary pupils are well behaved. So since the J is already represented there, we only go on by writing for the well-behaved, so people who are well-behaved. Okay, so they're all underlined in statement X means or represents subset. So J is a subset of U, and then in statement Y, the most underlined there stands or represents intersection. So let's use this above information to draw a Venn diagram. So we draw a Venn diagram. Very nice. So since J is a subset of U, J can be found in U. So you draw U, your J, and then U. So don't forget to always label them with their variables. So the big one being the U and the smaller being J. And also J intersects W. So since J is already here, we will only draw our W to pass through J. Okay, so this is for the one A. So moving to B, let's let the board. So the B says, using the Venn diagram or otherwise, determine which of the following implications are valid deductions from X and Y. So the I says, Jane wears uniform. Uniform implies Jane is a junior secondary pupil. So that means Jane can be found anywhere around U. And then the Jane is a junior secondary pupil. Jane can be. So J is found in U and also at the same time in J. So the statement is not always true. So the answer for I is